No.
Hi.
Destiny!
Hey, Destiny.
Hi!
We were supposed to go to Disneyland or like Six Flags. What the fuck happened?
And you guys could have invited me. Yeah, what happened?
But no, you're so busy for me. I'm just kidding.
Your birthday's coming up. Your birthday's coming up. Your birthday's coming up until
Happy
October.
birthday.
I thought it was like recent.
No, it's until October.
Mm,
I
bro.
still remembered. Yeah.
Class with you was fun. With Rudy too, just annoying him sometimes.
I miss you for PE since you switched out of my PE. Yeah.
But yeah, I hope you're having a good summer.
I like your profile picture. It's pretty. Your hair's pretty. Yeah.
Okay.
Alright.
Well, bye.
Bye.